Hi, I'm Debra Schwartz, current City Planning Commissioner, Chair of the Commission, and I'm running for Santa Barbara City Mayor.
Why are you running?
I'm running because with Santa Barbara as my hometown, we are at a critical crossroads facing three crises: homelessness, housing shortage, and economic uncertainty.
What about your background makes you qualified to be mayor?
As a public servant, longtime land use planning commissioner, I have the track record and experience of leadership that anticipates issues, anticipates problems before they become emergencies, and brings a leadership style working with colleagues that builds a foundation of respect, productivity, and effectiveness to serve the whole city.
How would you rate the city and the mayor's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic these last 19 months?
As I mentioned, leadership is anticipating problems before they become emergencies. Not that anyone could have anticipated a global pandemic, but we were not prepared going into the pandemic to help our businesses, to help our community. And that's the difference between prepared, proactive, thoughtful leadership and reactive, which is what we've had for the last 3.5 years under the current mayor.
Just checking levels. What are the key issues that you think are facing Santa Barbara?
The three key issues are homelessness, continued housing shortage, especially for workforce housing, and great economic uncertainty.
If you were mayor, what would be the first thing that you would do in office?
The first two things I would do are, number one, mayor and council need a strategic planning retreat to rebuild a foundation of the relationships that are needed to come together to effectively address and solve the vexing problems of our community. And homelessness needs to be identified as a public health crisis, bringing much needed state and federal funding and effective, proven programs and services to our community, both of which we do not have today.
What else would you like to add that people should know about your campaign and your run?
I want the voters to know that the small, talented staff that we have on our campaign is working so hard for outreach to the voters. We've been knocking on doors. We launched a social media campaign to reach every demographic in our community months ago. And for me, I do not need on-the-job training to be an effective mayor and leader with the council day one. I'm ready to hit the ground running, should I be so fortunate to receive the support of the voters November 2nd.